Hello, happy Monday. It is Monday, August 28th. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. We got Halloween right around the corner. So let's kick this off. Let's talk a little bit about, we have news coming out this week. We have FOMC on Wednesday, so we need to pay attention to that. Things tend to slow down a little bit right before, and then it pops off. Just being aware of that. We have some news this morning at 9, which is in an hour. I have a doctor's appointment at 10:30, so I may not get anything done today. We'll see. And if I don't, it's all right. We'll move on to other things. So let's talk a little bit about what's happening on the charts right now. Okay, so let's pull up this daily chart first. There we go. All right, so I've been watching these BBs just stay blue into the upside, which told us we had a good chance to make a new high, and it looks like we just did. About 30 minutes ago or 20 minutes ago, made a new high. This may keep going. We'll see what happens. I mean, it looks like it's trying to push up. Let's look here. Oh, wow. It's trying to give a reversal bar. It's giving a little bit of a pullback here. But I don't think that this is going to come all the way back right now. Let's just look at this for a moment. There we go. Be right behind this little spot. There we go. Go ahead and close that out. It's gonna be funny if it picks up right here and goes back up, right? That's all right though. These BBs are really pushing hard down, so they'd have to take a hard turn to the upside, which may be right here. I'm struggling because I want to take the long here with this leading a little bit higher. Still got quite a bit pushing to the downside right now. It's not exactly strong. You know what? I'm gonna give this a chance. Oh, too late. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm hitting close with how strong these are starting to pick up to the downside. Let's see if this pulls back just a little bit further. Ooh, I may have been quick on the draw to hit that close. Okay, I think I just jumped the gun on my exit. Went ahead and put in another one when it pulled back and gave me these double bars right here. Still real weak to the downside. Come back and touch these. There's one. Yeah, it was just a little too far behind on that one. For 2 more right here. Okay. And I'm done after this. Love it. Okay. Now I'm watching this part right here. This pulled away really far. So I don't want to stay in these just because I want them to work out. I need to pay attention. I'm going to go ahead and take one out here. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, you guys have no idea how many distractions I have on the side going on right now. Woo! But we're just gonna go ahead and go with that. So I was up 4 points from my first move, and then I took 2 losses. And it was a little frustrating because that first loss, well, I would have taken a full loss on it had I not exited earlier. So that had me at a break even for the day, and then did pretty good from there on out. Let's go ahead and mark these up. Let's do them on the 233 so we have plenty of space for, oh, no, we got to go back here. So we may need this on the 610. Y'all, and I was watching this reversal bar. I think I was using that little bit of hope instead of reality that this baby was going to push up. That's honestly what I was doing. And I was hearing my phone just buzz at me every few seconds. So, lesson learned. Lesson learned. I know better. I know to keep my phone on silent. So, it is what it is, you know. No complaints. An hour in. Ooh, I gotta get going. I got an appointment in 45 minutes, so I need to run. But I'll get this video edited and out a little bit later. But I'm definitely taking Wednesday off. I'll definitely take FOMC day off. I might take tomorrow off. We'll see how things go. I've got a lot of things that I'm trying to finish wrapping up and get out. And once that's done, I can spend a little bit more time, mental capacity on the market and not have to keep thinking about these things, these projects that I want to finish. But nearing it, I'm getting close. All of the curriculum up through divergences is completely finished. So we have the beginner curriculum, we have the learning about direction, we have learning about the EMAs, learning about the MACDs, and then the divergence. All is done. Now I'm gonna redo the other ones for sure, just to kind of give them a fresh look, but those are still pretty valid and pretty good. I just want to kind of freshen up everything and have it all uniform, I guess you could say. That is the rest of what I have to do there, and we'll just keep trucking along. I hope everybody has a fabulous Monday. I mean, Mondays can be difficult for some people. I actually woke up with some kind of surprising news that I'm not really going to talk about, and had to make some difficult decisions about people that I'm keeping in my inner circle. And that has really been weighing heavily on my mind. And so when I would catch myself thinking about it while we were trading, I would literally go, Lindsay, this is not furthering your trading. This is not the time and space to be thinking about these things. You'll have plenty of time after the market. And that was around the time where I took that first exit and things. And really, there was nothing wrong with what I did there. I just didn't have my mind in the game fully. So that is what it is. So, guys, I hope everybody has a fabulous Monday. We're going to go ahead and wrap this up. And as always, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.